Hello, this is the unboxing video for the H&K No Compromise MP5 SD5 Elite Airsoft Firearm made by Umarex USA, manufacturer number 2279013. This is how it comes packaged in the box. It comes with product information. It comes with a do not return this product to store policy, Airsoft gun registration, manufacturer instruction booklet, a 200 round magazine, a cleaning rod, Firearm is 28 inches in total length. It's powered by a 9.6 volt NiMH battery, which is not included. It has an adjustable rear sight, a pin front sight. It can switch from semi-auto to full auto. It shoots 6mm BBs with a velocity of 350 foot-pounds per second. Again, this has been the unboxing video for the H&K No Compromise MP5 SD5 Elite Airsoft Firearm made by Umarex USA, manufacturer number 2279013.